Yeah, there's certainly a lot of disruption and changes happening right now in the Middle East, especially following or sparked by Donald Trump's visit there, President Trump's visit. So much has happened. We're very happy to see the reception, but I'm extremely happy to know that the KRG, Kurdistan Regional Government, Prime Minister Barzani is visiting here because the U.S. relation with the Kurdistan regional government is very unique uh, and very strong. The mission of the KRG is just up the street from the White House. You can see it when you step out on the street. And Tarifa Aziz has been doing a great job as before her. Bayan, a wonderful representative of the United States. It's very unique to have a representative office here. Yeah, sorry, too much. Well, as we're aware, the Kurdistan region has a very rich diversity of ethnic diversity, religious diversity, which is very unique in the Middle East. And the harmony and respect among and between the different groups is outstanding. And it's a great model for others in the neighborhood. Well, those are great questions. The U.S. of course, not the U.S. benefits quite a bit from the stability that is demonstrated by KRG. Not just the stability, but the ability there to deny the impulse for revenge is so unique in Kurdistan. And again, it serves as a model. So having a stable partner in the Middle East is incredibly valuable and important. And it must be a long-term and strong relationship um, because of the benefit. And again, not just to the United States, but the model that Kurdistan represents to the whole world shows that it can be done, that we don't have to resort to revenge. Well, yeah, it's an outstanding example. There's nothing like it in the region. And globally, it's really, really important because the people of Kurdistan have a right to be angry and have revenge or whatever, but they have denied that. A very interesting, anyhow. So yeah, it's just a remarkable. Can't say enough how important that model is. Because if it can be done in Kurdistan, there's no excuse in the rest of the world, any place, to be able to overcome the resentment and revenge that divides the people. Well, hopefully it won't be needed so much longer, but I'm a strong believer in Reagan's dictum of peace through strength. I think, and the Peshmerga are certainly strong. They're great warriors. And unfortunately, people in the world don't know so much the story of the Peshmerga, and that's what we'd like to. In the Global Peace Foundation, we've developed a recognition program that we're introducing this year because we want the world to know that story. Well, yeah, I hope that's restored, and I think again we have a new a really new time, a new vision, a new approach from the United States that I think is very practical and much needed. So, and I'm very proud that the Kurdistan presence here this time in this visit is also focused on development and energy and business. I think that that's where stability, those are the features that develop a stability in a relationship, not just a treaty between governments, but when the people are interacting directly and commerce is taking place. That's the strongest support for peace and stability. So I'm very proud to see that happening on this visit with Prime Minister Barzani. Yes, it's that's certainly indication of the respect that the U.S. government has for the KRG. Unfortunately, other regional governments or autonomous regions in the world don't have that opportunity. They're within very repressive regimes and don't have an access whatsoever. So Kurdistan is unique in that way, and so the more that can be done, the more exchange, the more development. It's great. We have the universities working closely together, and so many areas sectors, U.S. and Kurdistan is continuing to strengthen their partnership, and that's only good. That's only benefits Iraq and the region and the whole world. Yeah, I noticed that the presence in the delegation. It's really important. Um, I think again, this is a completely new government that has a very different approach militarily as well. And I think I think President Trump was very strong in his first administration to stop ISIS or Daesh, and uh, I think there's a deep commitment. I mean, the military people I know, and I'm sure the Peshmerga is the same. They are more desperate for peace than anybody on earth. They understand the downside of the conflict and war and fighting. So I think that the U.S. government and the Peshmerga and KRG will do anything to strengthen the relationship so that there won't be that won't be needed a military intervention.